Your girl is back with a new glueless wig install for y'all. This wig is completely glueless. It has no adhesive, no glue, no gel. I did lay the baby hairs on this wig. Now this wig is advertised as pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace does come pre-cut. However, the knots on my wig were not bleached. I can see the knots on my wig, they are black in color, as well as the hairline was not pre-plucked. I had to pluck the hairline myself. Now this is a grab and go wig, so you can definitely put this baby on in a matter of seconds. You don't have to do the baby hairs. I did want to go in and define these gorgeous kinky curls, and I'm so glad I did because they look so good and natural. I want to give a big thank you to Junoda Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. This is their kinky curly 4.5 by 6 inch HD lace closure wig. The inside of the cap does have a silicone grip around it, so you don't even need a wig grip with this wig to keep it in place while wearing it glueless. It is stuck nice and secure on my head, y'all. This baby ain't going anywhere, okay? The curl pattern of this hair is super nice. I would say it's in between like a 3C and a 4A texture. I love the texture of this hair, y'all. So pretty. You can clump the hair and make these nice little ringlet curls. So my wig is 22 inches long and she is very full and beautiful. This is their 180% density wig. So if you like the density of my wig, go ahead and get 180%. If you want a little less full, then go for the 150%. If you're interested in the makeup tutorial for the look that I'm rocking in this video, I will leave a card up top. If y'all would like to see how I define these bomb kinky curls, as well as install this wig completely glueless today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We we got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the ad, better pay out. Spending time wind down, what is takeout? And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation, cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. Man. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. Niggas DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them, leave them on red. I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby, cause I always stay. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. why we never got it back, baby. It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make.
Absolutely love defining curly hair and letting it completely air dry. It just gives the most beautiful curls ever. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Junoda Hair, I will leave a link in the description box down below for you guys. If you enjoyed this Glueless wig install and would like to see more, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already checked out my latest video, I'm gonna leave the link right here for y'all. Be sure to go check that out.